Dear students, in this video we will discuss about the remaining parts of chapter number 10, main verbs and helping verbs. Okay, so if you have not watched the part 1, so here look at the screen. Okay, you can go to the playlist section and also watch. So here in the last video we have discussed about, okay, practice, let's practice number 1 and 2. So here the sentences given below are incomplete. Add a helping verb to each sentence and rewrite them. We playing football last Sunday. Okay, so here the time expression is given past. Okay, so you have to add here we are, not are. We are playing football last Sunday. Okay, then next, I working on my science fair project an hour ago. That means it is referring to the past action. Okay, so you have to add here was. I was working on my science fair project an hour ago. Okay, then next, Raghavan working with his father in now. So now means we are talking about the present action. Okay, so you have to add here is, not was. Raghavan is working with his father in garage now. Okay, then next, I planting a tree here. That means we are talking about the present action. I am planting a tree here. Okay, then next here the monkey is jumping from tree to tree. So you have to, the monkeys are jumping from tree to tree. Okay, the cars racing on the track. The cars are racing on the track. Okay, so you have to, first you have to look at the subject. Here the subject is plural, so the verb must be plural. So here the monkeys, so you have to add here plural verb here. So here the subject is I, singular, so the verb must be singular. I am. Okay, Raghavan is singular, so the subject, here the subject is singular, so the verb must be singular. Okay, then next here let's learn helping verbs can also act as linking verbs. In some sentences they link the main noun or pronoun of the sentence with their description. So here, okay, so this ball is red. So here this ball is noun, ball subject, and linking verb is, and red this is an adjective, and it adds extra meaning about this ball. Okay, so here is will be called as linking verb. Linking verb, it links, it connects the subject with its description. Okay, similarly, I was late for the party. So I is pronoun. Okay, subjective pronoun. Then late for the party. Who was late for the party? I. So description here, late for the party, and was will be linking verb. Okay, similarly, these dresses are pretty. So these dresses is subject. Okay, noun, and pretty. What are pretty? These dresses are. That means here are links the subject with its description. Okay, so here look at this example. Here, this is linking verb. Okay, the girls became happy. Okay, the girls became happy. Do here happy means who are happy? The girls. That means here happy adds extra meaning about the subject girls, and here the linking verb LV. Okay, linking verb. Linking verb became. Okay, similarly, my father is a teacher. So a teacher and my father is the same person. They are not a different person. So a teacher is a noun, and here each connects, each links. Okay, my father a teacher with a teacher. That means here each will be linking verb. Similarly, the food was tasty. So tasty is an adjective here. What was tasty? The food was tasty. That means a tasty adds extra information about the food. And who connects? Here was connected. So here was will be called as linking verb. Okay, he is our captain. So our captain, this is noun. Okay, captain, and he is subject, and is here linking verb. Okay, this answer seems correct. So here seems is linking verb. Correct means no. Correct means what is correct? This answer is correct. So here seems will be linking verb. Okay, his sister looks an actress. An actress, this is a noun. Okay, and who is an actress? His sister. That means actress and his sister, they are not a different person, they are same. And here who links? Here The linking verb links his sister with an actress. Looks, you know, this is linking verb. Clear? Then next, quinine taste bitter. You know, here taste is a linking verb. What is bitter? You know, quinine. Okay. Then next here, the sky grew dark. So you know what is dark here? You know, sky. Okay. And you know, grew is a linking verb. Similarly, the lion was angry. Who was angry? The lion was angry. That means here was is a linking verb. It connects the lion with angry. Okay. These lights have become dim. You know, here linking verb have become. Dim, you know. What is dim? You know, these lights are dim. Are dim. Okay. Misha has been honest. You know, honest is an adjective. Okay, and you know, has been, this is a linking verb. Okay. The rose smells sweet. You know, here smells is a linking verb. What is sweet? You know, the rose is sweet and it links. Here smells link the subject with its description. Clear? So here find the main nouns or noun expressions, pronouns and their descriptions in the given sentences and write them down. See how they are linked by linking verbs. Okay. So here we were in the park. Okay. We were in the park. So you know, here we is pronoun. Okay. And we are, you know, linking verb. Description, you know, in the park. Okay. Then next here, you know, Rinku and Minna are friends. You know, Rinku and Minna, you know, this they are noun. Okay. And are, you know, linking verb. Friends, you know, description. It describes, friends, you know, description. It describes about Rinku and Minna. My uncle is an officer in the army. So you know, here my uncle, you know, this is noun and a linking verb, you know, is, and you know, extra information or description, an officer in the army. Okay. Haris was not at home. So you know, Haris is a subject. Okay, noun here. Was, you know, linking verb. Not at home, you know, this is description. Who is not at home? Haris. So here not at home, this is description. It describes about the noun Haris. Okay. Dolphins are mammals. So you know, dolphins subject, you know, pronoun, and are, you know, linking verb. Mammals. Who are mammals? Dolphins. Dolphins, you know, mammals. Describe about dolphins. Okay, this is, you know, mammals, you know, description word, and are, you know, linking verb. Okay. Next, the trees were leafless in winter. So you know, the trees, this is noun subject. Okay, and we are, you know, this is linking verb, and leafless in winter, this is, you know, description. It describes about, yes, it describes about the trees, and you know, here are, were, is, was, are, were, these are, you know, linking verb. Clear? So these are, you know, auxiliary verbs, and you know, auxiliary verbs can also act linking verbs in a sentence. Clear? Then next, revision. The two types of verbs are the, you know, main verbs and helping verbs. Okay. Helping verbs tell us about the time of an action. Yes, time of an action. Is, am, was, were. These, you know, tell us about the time of an action. Helping verbs can also act as, yes, linking verbs. Okay. Clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay. Thank you.